Rebecca Jackson, the director of The Ohio State University's Center for Clinical and Translational Science. Here at the CCTS, we've developed a research project timeline to help you get started with and to better understand the research process. You can utilize this timeline to understand the full range of resources available throughout the CCTS. Each resource can come independently so that you can pick and choose those resources that you need as an investigator without any specific resource utilization being contingent upon the other. The first and most important step of the research project is to define your project idea or your research hypotheses that you wish to explore. A good project idea must be innovative and focused, yet testable. As you explore your research approach or the development of your specific aims, it's likely you'll identify other skills or expertise that are needed to successfully carry out your project.
To effectively address today's challenges for clinical and translational science, investigators often need to assemble a research team with expertise crossing traditional academic boundaries. The CCTS website has links for 2 electronic tools to assist in your search. These are OSU Pro and the Community of Science. These tools have search features that allow you to find collaborators with similar research interests or those who can provide you with unique expertise to make your research project successful. In the meantime, I hope you'll contact me via the Research Concierge link on our webpage. I can help you access our CCTS resources, and I can answer many of your research planning questions.
So the Biostatistics Core of the CCTS collaborates with clinical and translational investigators by providing study design and data analysis support. We also provide training seminars and ethics consultation for research involving human subjects. One of our primary aims is to support new investigators by using our expertise in study design and in grant preparation.
For junior faculty, there's a myriad of opportunities out there externally for funding very specific kinds of work. You need to sort of keep an eye on publications and see where the funding sources are. So my recommendation is really to follow those websites. They actually have new funding opportunities posted quite regularly.
One of the functions that we have for an investigator to use very early on in the development of his project is to meet with our staff. That might be the core laboratory director, might be the person involved with informatics, person involved in developing our nutrition program, to sit down with them and discuss the particulars of their project. So there's a lot of resources that are available. That's why I have encouraged investigators to get in touch with us early rather than later, so they can see what the opportunities are for developing their program.
Here at Nationwide Children's Hospital, we have a variety of services that are available to support our investigators. First and foremost is our Clinical Research Services Unit, and this is a core service that provides investigators with help with research design, IRB application, research nurse, study coordinator support, as well as comprehensive study implementation and study management support. Once an investigator knows a particular study that they want to do, or even a particular type of study, what I would recommend that they do is pick up the telephone and call Clinical Research Services here at Nationwide Children's Hospital, and we will work with them to make them aware of the breadth of resources that we have available, but more importantly, we will work with them to direct them toward those resources that we think will be most helpful in ensuring the success of their studies.
Within the CCTS is an Office of Regulatory Support. It provides investigators an opportunity to work with individuals who are experienced in filing protocols and drafting consent and HIPAA documents. And also, this office helps individuals develop data and safety monitoring plans, which may be required for IRB submissions as well as for the sponsor. Be aware of your regulatory and ethical requirements as they relate to you as a developing professional and as they relate to the welfare of your study participants.
The final step in a research project in some ways may be the second most important, and that's the dissemination of your results out to the community. It's absolutely critical as scientists that we share the information we garner from our studies so that we can really improve not only this design of other scientists' studies, but in fact to really change the way that we deliver health care. We hope that you will join together with us at the CCTS and allow us to help you in any of the steps that are necessary. We're excited about research, we're excited about you, and we're excited to partner to improve the health of the communities that we live in.